We have a health alert for you tonight. Two siblings who are students at Klein Cain High School have been diagnosed with tuberculosis.
Health officials are now doing contact tracing to see who else may have been exposed. Orko Manna joins us in the newsroom tonight with what doctors have to say. Orko?
Well, Len, according to this email sent out by Klein ISD, Harris County Public Health says the two students were diagnosed with active tuberculosis. That's the version of the disease where you actually feel sick. TB is contagious but treatable and curable with medication. Klein Cain High School says the two siblings diagnosed with TB are receiving medical care right now, adding that they're not on campus and will not return until they're cleared by a physician. The school has notified any students or staff who may have had a class or close contact with one of the students, and Harris County public health officials are doing contact tracing to identify anyone who may have had prolonged close contact with them. Now, here's some more information about TB. Symptoms of active TB include a cough lasting 3 weeks or longer, chest pain, coughing up blood, weakness or fatigue, weight loss, loss of appetite, chills, and fever. TB is spread through the air from one person to another through speaking, coughing, laughing, or sneezing, and the germs are more likely to spread in indoor areas or crowded gatherings. Anyone can get TB, but you might have a higher risk if you have a weaker immune system. TB can be deadly if not treated properly. What are some of those treatments that are available for them?
Yeah, so there's a couple of different treatment regimens. They're constantly being updated. The unfortunate thing about TB is that the treatment's very prolonged. We all think about, your classic pneumonias and things like that, where you take antibiotics for 14 days. But for TB, you can be taking antibiotics for 2 months up to 6 months for completing the treatment. If you miss a lot of doses, then you may not be adequately treated. So it's really important that when you are treating TB, they're actually completing the full courses.
And if you're diagnosed with TB, it's also important to take steps to prevent spreading it. Health experts say you should stay at home and limit your contact with others, air out your room often, and cover your mouth. Now, concerned parents can contact Harris County Public Health's TB program at this email or by calling 832-927-7575. We also have all of this information on our website, khou.com. Mia?
We'll pick it up from here. Orko Manna tonight. Thank you.